Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and we're working on the free T again, sort of. Today what we are working on is building our quick, cheap, hopefully not dirty paint booth for the shop for doing the body work and doing the paint on the free T body and turtle deck. So we are going to I got a big roll of plastic wrap from Lowe's or Home Depot. It was like 20 bucks for 4,000 feet or something, 4,000 square feet or something crazy. We're gonna hang it from the ceiling, staple it in, get it all set up, and show you guys the kind of room we have in there. We still have Andrew's T-body in there, so we kind of left it. We're gonna leave it in there so that we can kind of get an idea for the space that we need, so we have plenty of room to work around it, and then we'll drag it out the front of it and get it out of the way when we're ready. So let's hang some plastic. All right, Andrew, MTV Crib style. Let's see your fancy new booth you built.
All right, guys. This is my crib. You know, making all the IronTrap money. It's got a nice front door. It's mahogany. You know.
Mahogany. Just you can imagine it.
Yeah. Pretty cool. It's got some tape. You know, it's weatherproof.
Yeah.
Airtight.
The green tape, the expensive kind.
Expensive tape.
So we got tons of room for activity in here.
fits a car body and more.
Yeah, this is Andrew's body. It's a little tease for you, right? Because you'd like to paint yours in here.
Yeah.
You're a long ways off. But yeah, you can see we went all the way up to the ceiling here. Well, you can't really see. There we go. And Andrew just used the staple gun, stapled it up around the ceiling to the rafters. We went around the monster I-beams, which is hard to see there. There we go. Monster I-beams, went around those. We taped up the edges. We used some of the Eastwood stitch weld magnets, like right here. Super handy. Used them to my pallet racking to hold it in place. And then over here, we are using the meat truck as a backdrop. And we got some, so we don't have to tape to the meat truck, we got some more of those magnets here and here. So that's pretty handy. And we should have enough room. It's hard to see. I wish I had a, but yeah, there you go. So that's our paint booth. Quick, dirty. When my buddy Mike, not the Mike you guys see, different friend Mike, when he comes over to help us with the body work here soon, I'm gonna let him kind of just tell us if he needs anything added or more room or whatever. But I think this will be pretty good. We got a quick entryway there that we can squeeze in and out. I'm gonna run an air line over here. The air compressor's back in that corner, so we're gonna run the line through here and just tape it up around the line. But that should work well. We left the paint rack in here so that we can hang any small parts that we need to paint while we're at it. But yeah, so this should work pretty darn good. All right, so that is our low budget paint booth. Hopefully it should work okay. Took not very long to set it up, but it should do the job. We're planning on getting the shop when we start actually doing like primer and paint. We're gonna get the shop up to temp, probably get it around 65, 70 degrees in here, and then we could shut the heater off while we're actually doing spraying. We can crack the garage door just a little bit to let the fumes out, and then close it back up. And it should work pretty well. We'll probably set a fan up to kind of force it out as well, but overall I think it should work pretty darn good. So we're really close to doing body work on this thing. It's probably about a week away till I'd like to start on it. So if everything comes together as I hope it will, we should be doing body work in like the next episode, maybe, hopefully. So that's all I have for this one. I appreciate you guys following along the free T build, and hopefully you guys don't make fun of me too bad for our cheap paint booth. Thanks guys, catch you later.